did receive those funds in my Bitcoin wallet today. So let's get into the good stuff. How do you make $20,000 in as little as 12 weeks with just 2 referrals and $115 out of pocket? Real simple. Refer 2 people in your first 7 days in the business that join at the $115 level, and teach them to do the same. If that duplicates over 12 weeks, number one, the worst case scenario is that you'll join for $115, never refer anyone, and you're going to get paid every weekday, Monday through Friday, until you receive double your money. Your net return, if you do nothing, is going to be $173, or any way you want to look at it, it's your money back, or another way to look at it is your money back plus at least 50% more. Now, I'm giving you the levels here just to show you the math and the proof. You can do this yourself on a calculator and verify my numbers and prove that this will work. If you would exchange the word level for a week, it's the same thing. I'm just telling you where these people would technically be on your level and your downline. But essentially, this would be or could be exchanged per week. So week 1, you get 2 people. Week 2, those 2 get 2, you're at 4. Week 3, those 4 get 2, you get 8, and so on through the entire 12 weeks. So if you look at my numbers through 12 weeks, at the end of 12 weeks, you'd have 4,096 people in your organization. In Xsinergia, we do get paid 100% credit, so there's no points or BVCV or anything like that. So if you take the total amount in your group times $100, this is the figure you get. Divide that by 2 because this is a binary. And you're going to end up with $200,480 on each side. We get 10% commission on a lesser leg. No games here. You don't have to have a higher package or anything like that, like a lot of other companies, to get paid the 10% on your weaker leg. Here, you're going to get 10% on your weaker leg, and it's 10% of this amount, which would be $20,480. Again, all you ever had to do in this program, join with the $115, refer 2 people at the same level or higher within your first 7 days, help them do the same. When that duplicates, you're looking at over $20,000 in commission. So, folks, it's really that